I would like to show you, we call it Mulawah, breakfast food. So first we need 3 cup flours, all-purpose flours, and I need half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, you can add it as needed, and warm water and a little bit oil. Okay. Okay, now the rest we're gonna do in the hand. Okay. Okay, we need the flour, oil, the dough, and this one, I don't even know what they call it. Sorry. Hi, I'm gonna show you how to make fatira. So first we need from steak, and onion, jalapeno, or you can use a big one if you don't like a jalapeno. And this is celery, tomato, and the green onion, carrot, parsley, garlic. Okay, it's heated up. Now I'm gonna put the mulawah in there. The mulawah look like ready. I'm gonna add a little bit oil in the edge. The mulawah is finished. I'm gonna take it out. Now the pan is ready. I'm gonna put it on the fatira. So I'm gonna cook it the same like mulawah, but I'm gonna add other stuffs. Okay, the fatira is ready. Now I have to put oil a little bit in the edge, the same like mulawah. For fatira, we need 1 egg, and we need the one I cooked. Next I'm gonna cook atria, and we need the tea. This thing we use for tea spice. So you can, this we use for tea. Okay, we need. Now we need oil, water, hot water, and the tea spice, sugar, and this is the atria themselves. Tea, I'm gonna make tea with milk. So okay, tea and the spicy water in there for the tea. The atria is finished. You can add it as you wish. This sugar as you wish. So it's complete. Okay. Okay, breakfast is finished. So the teas look like here, like this. I hope you like it. For next time, we'll see you. Thank you.